Find or read reviews that people are talking about ESSAGER Bluetooth Receiver for car. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2-in-1 Bluetooth 5.3 audio adapter. The Bluetooth transmitter, TX mode, enables you to transmit audio from TV, computer, and in-flight entertainment systems to Bluetooth headphones, with an adapter included in the package, earbuds, or Bluetooth speakers via a 3.5mm AUX. The Bluetooth receiver, RX mode, connects your smartphone to wired speakers/headphones via Bluetooth. Hands-free calling and intelligent noise reduction technology. This AUX Bluetooth Car Adapter utilizing the latest CVC 8.0 noise reduction and digital signal processor, or DSP, technology. It can eliminate echoes and block interfering background noises such as wind, traffic, or crowd sounds, providing clear call quality. With a built-in microphone and an MFB button for answering, redialing, hanging up, rejecting calls, it facilitates hands-free communication. The Bluetooth audio adapter also supports broadcasting voice notifications from existing navigation apps, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while driving. 6-hour usage duration. This Bluetooth receiver/Bluetooth transmitter offers up to 6 hours of working time for calls or music playback. It can be fully charged in just 1.5 hours using the Type-C fast charging cable, included in the package. The flexible 3.5mm audio port better protects the device's audio port and is more convenient for use in corners or tight spaces. 33 feet transmission distance. This car Bluetooth adapter maintains a pairing distance of up to 10 meters with other devices. Beyond this range, the connection will be automatically disconnected. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.